Okay, so my camera wasn't recording and I was talking to a camera for about 5 minutes now. But yeah, I primed my skin with, I primed with Hydroplay Primer from Dermalogica. Now I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha. Thank you. And I'm going to be buffing my foundation out with my, what is this? Shop Miss A High Def F4 brush. I'm just going to be buffing it in. Not find my ColourPop concealer even though I just bought it like 2 weeks ago, so I don't know where it went, but I'm just going to use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe to highlight today and conceal. I'm going to apply this Pure Cameo contour stick in the shade Deep. Yeah, like that. But yeah guys, it's literally Christmas Eve and like all of a sudden I wanted to film, so like that's that. So here we are, and I'm gonna upload the video today too because why not. Now I'm gonna buff all this out with my foundation brush that I used before. I'm gonna take this Luxie dual fiber powder brush and I'm gonna use this actually to blend out my cream contour. I really love using these type of brushes to blend out creams because it just blends out so seamlessly and it just looks so good. I didn't put any on my forehead because I'm just like, whatevs. I don't really care about the forehead right now. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with my No Filter, my No Color Powder from RCMA. And I just take a little bit of that. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to the eyes and then do the rest of the face later. I'm gonna take a bit of concealer that we already used on the eyes, under the eyes. I'm gonna use that to prime my lids today. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe M441 brush. And what palette I'm gonna use? Okay, I'm gonna take this lip palette by Bretman times ColourPop, and I'm gonna take the shade or whatever, this shade right here, and I'm gonna apply that all over the lid just to like lightly set this concealer, just to like give it a little bit of a base shadow before I go off. Now I'm going to take my Juvia's Place the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to pick up the shade Kafuru, which is this brown right here. And I'm going to be popping that into my crease. And the way I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow is I'm kind of like blending it upwards like this instead of doing it like side by side. I'm kind of like blending the shadow up here just to make my eyes look a bit bigger because I'm not doing a cut crease, so I need more room for like the smoky wing line. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Walzana from that same Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to take my MAC 217 brush, and I'm going to pick up a little bit of this mixed in with the brown just so it's not too, and I'm gonna use this to define my crease. Now I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush and I'm gonna take this shade called Kana and Zaz, and I'm just gonna mix these two, and I'm gonna use that to just brighten up the lid a little bit before I apply any eyeliner. Pick up this black eyeshadow right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and wing out a liner and just smoke it out a bit. And you don't have to fill it in with the black eyeshadow because we're going to be applying a black liner over top of it. We're just using this as a guide and also to smoke it out. So now I'm going to take that brown shade from before and go right above that and smudge it out, just so it can be nice and smoky and blended. Okay, now I'm going to take a liquid liner. I'm taking this really old NYC liquid liner that I've had for like 2 years now. I don't think they sell it anymore. I think they discontinued it like a while ago, so I'm very sorry about that. But you guys can just use any liner that you prefer. And then I'm going to go back into my crease a little bit, and I'm going to take that black shade again, mix with some brown, and I'm just going to define my crease just a little bit more. I'm just going to smudge the liner out just a little bit. And we got a little smudged liner action going on here. It just looks super cute. So for lashes today, I'm going to be applying my Shania lashes from IEL Cosmetics. And I'm pretty sure they're in stock now, but if they're not, I'm so sorry. But I do have a discount code for IEL, and it's just Makeupbyshaniah to save you guys 10% off if you want to use the code. And it's an affiliate code, so I do get commission when you guys use it, just FYI. So yeah, I'm gonna pop my lashes on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I thought about it and I was like, the lower lash line kind of looks a little bit boring, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna take this heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay, and this is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I just think it adds like a cute little, okay, you know. Okay, now that the eyes are done, it's time to move back onto the face just to bronze me up a little bit. My inner corner lash is like flying away over here, so we're gonna fix that later. Okay, cute. Okay, now I'm just gonna bronze up my skin just a little bit. I'm gonna use, of course, my Warrior 2 palette from GB's Place to bronze up my skin. What brush am I gonna use? Okay, I'm gonna use this Carity F25 brush to apply it today. I'm just gonna take these two top brown colors. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna take my blush balm from Carity, and I'm gonna take the Burgundy Blast one. I'm just gonna take these two burgundy shades right here and apply that for blush, just a little bit of that on my cheeks. I feel like on camera it looks so bright. Okay, so I'm gonna take this pure Midnight Masquerade face palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like a bronzy shade, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that as a highlighter, I guess. It's a blush, but like it's shimmery, so yeah, let's do that. It looks cute. And I'm using a Sigma Spotlight Duster brush. This is the F37 brush, and I do have a discount code with Sigma as well. It's just Makeupbyshaniah, and it is also an affiliate code. Okay, I'm gonna line my lips with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Alkaline, and I just want it to be a nice deep red a deep red look. So I'm gonna line my lips first. And honestly, you can wear any lip with this eyeshadow because it's so neutral, so it could pair with any lip color. But I thought that like a dark red lip color would go perfect for the holiday season. But if you guys are not comfortable with colored lips, you can always switch it out for any color that you want. So I'm gonna be applying my ColourPop times I Love That I E lipstick in the shade Arriba, and it's a beautiful bright red color. And I only do one layer of this lipstick because it could get a little bit thick and crunchy, so we don't want that to happen. I'm just gonna go back in with the lip liner and blend. So yeah guys, this is it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be leaving all the products that I used in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out, along with some coupon codes to save you guys some coins. You guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all at Makeupbyshaniah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.